Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you. Flutter SDK, Dart, VS Code with Flutter extension, and Firebase CLI. Create a new Flutter project now with Flutter Create My App and open it in VS Code. This gives you a clean workspace. Next, install and authenticate the Firebase CLI with npm IG Firebase tools and Firebase login so you can initialize projects. Once done, make sure your Android/iOS tooling is working with Flutter Doctor before moving to Firebase Setup. You now integrate Firebase. Run Firebase in it to set up services like Firestore or Authentication. Select the features you need and choose the project. In VS Code, edit PubSpec. YAML to add Firebase Core plus platform plugins like Firebase Auth or Cloud Firestore, then run Flutter Pub get to fetch packages. Register your Android and iOS app in the Firebase console, then download Google services. JSON Android and Google Service Info. Plist iOS. After that, place those files in the native folders so the app you finish by wiring platform configs and initializing the SDK. Update Android and iOS build files as required, then call widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized. Await Firebase. Initialize app in main. Dart so Firebase is ready before widgets load. Run your app on an emulator or device and exercise a simple auth or Firestore read/write to confirm connectivity. If something fails, make sure Google Services files are in the right native folders, match package ID, and check console logs and dependency versions to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.